Ankit Tyagi, our correspondent, is now joining us with the latest details. Ankit, the latest that's coming in from Mumbai is that the police there is going to give security to Aam Aadmi Party office in Mumbai. Now, is there a move like that even in Uttar Pradesh for the Kaushambi office? And what about the personal security of Aam Aadmi Party leaders, especially the ministers now?
Well, so far, the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party and the office also has refused security. But what we have learned from the UP police is that now they are not going to listen to this refusal. They will be putting in place adequate numbers. My camera person has just panned and we can show you the number of policemen, those who are deployed here outside the office of the Aam Aadmi Party in Kaushambi. And now what we have learned from the top sources within the UP police is that a similar security ring has been thrown outside the residence of the Chief Minister of Delhi, who lives just a stone throw away from this office. Or if I'll again ask my camera person to pan towards the office, and if I can show you, this is the main gate of the office in Kaushambi, and you can see the window panes, those who have been broken by the activist of the Hindu Rakshak Sena. All these people were here. About 50 people had come today in the morning at around 10:30, and they started sloganeering against Prashant Bhushan and Arvind Kejriwal, especially against Prashant Bhushan for his remarks over Kashmir, in which in an exclusive interview to Headlines today, he had said that referendum should be done as far as the deployment of army is concerned in the valley. On that, they said that these remarks are anti-national, and they were expressing their protest on these comments. Suddenly, at 10:55, they started throwing bricks at the office, and they also attacked the volunteers, those who are present here. It was only after these volunteers ran upstairs and locked themselves that they were able to escape unhurt in this attack.
Absolutely shameful attack over there. Ankit, tell us what action is being taken by the police against the goons.
As we speak, Maha, there are senior members of the Aam Aadmi Party, those who are right now at the police station under which this office falls. They are registering a complaint, and after the FIR is registered, the police has also asked them to provide the CCTV footage so that they can identify these people and they can be arrested. A case of vandalism and trying to cause hurt to the people has been registered against the people of the Hindu Rakshak Sena. There were about 50 of them, those who are present here, with sticks, with bricks. A few of them have been identified as far as the CCTV footage is concerned, and now the police is on the hunt for these people.
Intolerance and vandalism at full display at the Aam Aadmi Party office at Kaushambi today. Ankit Tyagi getting us all the details about the action that is likely to be taken by the police against the Hindu Rakshak.